Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this back. I'm back now. Me, same old. Hey, how you all doing? Welcome back to another episode of how to. Nah, I was gonna say some dumb stuff, but yeah, I have this 2016 Infiniti, as you can see, it's Q70L. Q70L. And guess what we're gonna do now? We're gonna do the oil change, and well, by now I guess you know how to do the reset the oil life. But if you don't know, now you will know. Alright, because I'm gonna show you how to do that also. Alright, before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit it, bang it, destroy the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, I'm about to say, and I'm gonna say it again. Now it's like, let's say 89%. 89% of the people that watch my beautiful videos, you know what I'm saying, have been subscribed to my channel. Since you are watching this video, you know what I'm saying, that means that you're interested, you like it, or you want to find out how to do your car, right? So do me a favor, since I'm doing this video for you, hit the subscribe button. Alright, give thumbs up. That means hit the like button also. Don't forget to share. Alright, you might have a Honda, but your friend had a Infiniti Q70L. You know, share it, give it to him. You know, and he will appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget to put the feedback in the comment box. Alright, put the feedback in the comment box for me, and that should be it. That should do it. Alright, please, I'm trying to reach the million subscribers for real, not playing, man. A million subscribers. Alright, so help me and help us to reach that goal. Alright, and come with me. I'll show you how to do this. Alright, with a stool. Come with me. Let's do it like a pro. I'm sorry, before I get into that, I just want to mention that always wear safety goggles, safety glasses. Okay, you must protect your eyes. Okay, God give you only two, so alright, protect your neck, and also wear gloves. Alright, if you don't want to get your hands greasy and all that, you know what I'm saying, wear gloves. But the story behind the gloves is that the chemicals, like the oil, the cooling, and all that, the chemicals like the oil, the cooling, the windshield fluid, let's include the windshield fluid also, contain chemicals that produce cancer. Okay, so yeah, for that you have to wear gloves. Okay, it's not that much of getting your hands greasy and all that. It is more for the chemicals. All right, so I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Come with me. Let's do this with a stool. Hey, hey. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Back. Hey, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2016 Q70L. And now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. All right, real quick. By the way, I put 5 quarts of regular oil, 5W30, as you can see. And the filter, also the bots, contain a specific number and brand for this vehicle, the oil filter. Okay, let me show you how to do the oil life reset. Before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. All right, and I'm gonna say it again, please subscribe to my channel. All right, hit it, destroy it, bang it. And the feedback put in the comment box. Don't forget to share it and give a like, thumbs up. Alright, I'm gonna play with these 2 buttons. Alright, I'm gonna touch this one. Okay, look at this screen. Alright, I'm gonna go there, then press this guy right here. Let me see what I can do here. The light of this yeah, maybe it's too bright. Yeah, right there, that's better. Okay, so now on maintenance, reset it. And that's it. Alright, that's how you reset the oil life and any other reminder that you have in the cluster. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share it, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright, it's pretty self-explained. Alright, just play with these 2 guys right here. That's all you gotta do. Let's do it again for the filter. And that's it. You see, it goes back to 0. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Hey!